comfortable there? She loves lying right there. If she's not on my lap, then she really likes lying on here, because this space is taken up where she usually lies. These are my little thingies. Yesterday, I did all that. I put as many pictures in them as I had printed, and you'll see I have a sniffle. I'm coming down with a sniffle. Yay, isn't that fantastic? So these are all my 5-inch images. So I went through them all and I put at least one of each in a frame. So that's going to be nice and colourful when I actually lay them on my table. And kind of like my really small art prints, it really shows a nice display of all my artwork and stuff. So yeah. Oh, I also printed this out for my friend Andy. You know Indy, he's been on my vlogs before. I've been meaning to do that for ages, so I did that. I did loads yesterday because I didn't actually end up going out to the pub. Alright, kitty. let's film the kitty. I feel like shit today. Yeah, so Andy cancelled yesterday, so I didn't go to the pub. So I got quite a lot done. I got all the a whole load of badges done as well. I'm calling them badges. Not button badge pins, not buttons. Oh, right, alright. So, yeah, I got a whole load of those done. I'm thinking what I might do, like what I did at Cardiff, is to take my button machine. I just call it a button machine, oh my god. Button badge pins. I'm going to take it with me to Cardiff, Birmingham, in case, you know, on like the Saturday or something I run out of something in particular. But tonight I might actually go through... I've got another case actually. My mum bought me another case, because I bought those, you know, the cases that I use to keep my button badge pins in, which is over there. My mum bought me another one. Bought them in Australia anyway. Where do I put those? Oh, there it is. There it is there. That's it there. So, I'm wondering whether I should start filling that up with other button badge pins. I don't know. I'll think about it. So what else did I do yesterday? I've decided I'm only going to... Well, I set this up, so I am ready to go on that next one, but I'm struggling with space on my computer, so I'm having to copy stuff across. I'm copying 60 gigabytes, it's got to be 161 gigabytes across to my other hard drive. So yeah, that's happening, and just because I'm like coming down with this, and I want to get my stuff organised tonight, and I want to finish off all these frames, and I want to get these all prepared, then I'm just not going to push myself to do the other two, because I've then still got to edit the video, and I'm going to sound all snotty in the video. So I'm going to give myself a break and just do one video with the one butterfly in it. But that's alright, keep people coming back for the next one. I hope, at least, I hope. I need to think about dinner. I've got some chilli, but I might cook some veg as well. I need all the veg I can get. Oh, and you know this? Well, I decided to... I picked this up, the other one, and I noticed that it's got a different pattern on it. So, look at that. It's got gold in it. So this whole section, you know, outside... The circle is exactly the same, but it's this outside section that's got all this gold on it. I mean, it's nice. I don't mind it, but it's not what I wanted. So, I'm going to contact... Amazon, see if I can swap it, because I would like to have two identical ones. I've just sort of tidied up a little bit. I know it doesn't look like I have. That's my t-shirts, that's fine. That box is rubbish, and that's rubbish, and I need to empty their toilets because the rubbish goes out tonight for tomorrow morning. I think I need to print off some more smaller ones, smaller prints, but I'll look at that in a minute. Because even if I do print them off, I can take them with me to the hotel and cut them out there. Oh, this is not good. I don't want to have a sniffle all weekend. I hope it, I woke up this morning with it, but I'm hoping it just fizzles out and it doesn't develop into something ridiculous. That would suck. So I got some washing on. I did the dishwasher yesterday. This is how my kitchen's looking. It's not too bad. It's dirty and a little bit messy, but it's not too bad. Wish I had some milk. All I fancy, to be honest, is cereal. But the milk I've got might be off. 8th of March. Today is 15th. Smells alright. Fuck, I wonder what preservatives they've put in there. I don't know what to do about that. I don't really trust it. I'm just gonna nod. Instead of dinner, I'm having popcorn. Yay! Way to go for being an adult. Wow, look at that. George Jazz's studio fundraiser, 262%. That's amazing. Fuck, so happy. So happy for him. Look out, kitty. Look out. So I was going to use that, but I think not. I think I'm going to try and fit it into these too, because there was some space. So I just need to, I think, just be smart about it. Oh god, I feel awful. The tissue's handy because I've got a sniffle this side only, which is annoying. So, what bad timing! I don't want to get sick anyway, but to get sick just before a long weekend at a Comic-Con, it's just not what I wanted right now. Right, I'm gonna get packing. Yay! I know I'm crossing the streams with DC and Marvel, but I don't care. This is going well. I'm using these 2 boxes instead of the black one because it tapers in, and I didn't want to have this in with frames, so I'm just about to take these out because when this jostles around, I don't want the frames to get damaged. So yeah, I've only just put these in there. They weren't in there with that. So that's what I'm going to do. The whole bottom here is covered in these. I am taking all 60. I probably shouldn't. All of these ones are just blank, but I am taking the spare 5x5 pictures that are there in case someone wants something that I haven't got framed, or I've sold out of something that's framed and they want one, so I can then just quickly frame them up. So that's my plan. This one here is having a nice little nap there. She was really cute before, but I just missed it. And the bunny is over there. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm pretty much there. I just got to put those t-shirts in. But I just wanted to check if this... Oh, look at that. Is that exciting or what? That just... Oh. It all fits so well. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I think that's fine. It's also a bit easier to manage because carrying these big ones is a bit hard to handle. I mean, this big one here is going to be heavy enough, so... in other news, hi kitty, what are you doing under there? I just found that keyboard I was looking for. Oh no, I didn't. I thought I did, but it's not. It's foam cardboard stuff. Anyway, random. I just want to organise a few more things. I'm glad I'm not taking the canvases, but I am bummed that they are ruined and need redoing. Well, it happens. They can be salvaged though, they're fine. I just need to sand them back and repaint them. Cool, I'm gonna carry on. Hello, what's this? Oh, you're spreading your toes. You spread your toes apart. Oh, it's just gone white. There we go. Show us your toes. Yeah. Look at that tail. She's about ready to bite me, I think. You don't like? You don't like that? Spread your toes. Yeah, there you go. Spread your toes. You're so cute. Where this one? Spread your little toes. No? Where's this one? Yeah? No? Show your toes. It's funny how she's got so much like long hair. These long hairs on her toes. You don't like that? Oh, baby. Are you comfy? That tail though. That tail. Not your best angle. Are you comfy? Are you comfy? She's really white under here. Her fur is kind of looks dirty on the top, but then it's really white here. I don't mind. She's pretty. You're pretty. Yeah, stop cocking your leg over me. Look, you do this, and she wants to cock her leg. What? Oh, you want to cuddle? That tail. It's mischief. Oh, also, I've done the first pass at editing the video for the butterfly giveaway thing. Yeah. I'm sort of feeling a little bit better, but it's only because I've taken some night nurse. Because I don't want to have a runny nose when I'm going to bed. It's 11:05. I'm just going to watch a few more YouTube videos and then go to bed. Actually, oh, you could probably see the butterfly video, the thing then. I need to, what do I need to do? Oh yeah, gather together my button badge pins. Because I do need to make more of the packs, especially the swear word ones, because they sell the best. So I will take them with me, and yeah, and then I'm gonna go to bed, and then I think I'm in a pretty good place as far as being organised. I've got the boxes there, all packed up and ready to go. Oh, that feels good, because tomorrow's Thursday and I'll probably just go to the supermarket, get some food and just... Okay, I'm pretty organised. Just going to throw some rubbish out. Oh, the rubbish. Got to get the rubbish ready. I mean, it is ready, but I need to get it close to the front door. So here's my bag of, excuse the arsehole on the top. These are the, the button badge pins ready to make. These are the components. I've got extra components here. What I might do is just open those up and just top this bag up, because I've got the film there, I've got the plate here, and then I've got the backs. But I just want to make sure I've got enough, so I might just top that up, and then instead of taking all of them with me, I'll just take those. I want to cut up all of these. I need some more of these done, and because I haven't got very many, and there's a couple of others. In fact, all of the ones that I've put in this separate bag, there's some Totoro ones in there, not actual Studio Ghibli ones. So I also want to print out some more of those Soot Sprite ones. So tomorrow I'll cut these up and then I'll use this to cut them so that they're all ready to go and I can take them with me and then take my badge machine. It's called a button badge machine. I found the instructions. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm still sniffly. I haven't really gotten worse all day. I have a little bit, but then it's just sort of just like a level sniffle. So I'm hoping tomorrow I'm not worse. That's all. We'll see. What are you doing, kitty? Anyway, I'm going to leave it here. Tomorrow I will do stuff. I was just about to tell you everything I was going to do tomorrow, but I'm not going to. I've got to stop doing that. Makes me a shit vlogger. I am shit anyway. Shitty and snotty. Right, see you tomorrow. Bye. I've got a month left, so that's so damn awesome. I wanted to buy this one, the Your Name, focus, Your Name on the Wall of Honor, but they're all sold out. That's a shame. Bugger.